Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If you're someone who's constantly juggling meetings, lectures, or brainstorming sessions, you know how tough it can be to keep track of every detail. Today, we're diving into the Plaud AI Note Taker, a device that promises to revolutionize note-taking with the power of AI. I'm going to break down everything you need to know based on the official info from Plaud's website. Let's get started. Plaud calls itself the world's #1 AI note-taking brand, trusted by over 1 million users globally. Their flagship products, the Plaud Note, Plaud NotePin, and Plaud Note Pro, are designed to be your second brain, capturing conversations and turning them into organized, actionable insights. Let's take a closer look at what makes these devices stand out. First up, the Plaud Note. This is a credit card-sized AI voice recorder that attaches to your smartphone with a magnetic case. It's super sleek, only 0.12 inches thick, and made of aluminum alloy, so it's lightweight and durable. According to Plaud's site, it offers 30 hours of continuous recording, 60 days of standby, and 64 gigabytes of storage. That's enough for up to 480 hours of audio. What sets it apart is its dual-mode recording. It uses an air conduction sensor for capturing ambient sounds like meetings or lectures, and a vibration conduction sensor for clear phone call recordings. Plus, it supports 112 languages with up to 97% transcription accuracy. That's impressive for multilingual professionals or students. Next, we have the Plaud NotePin, a wearable AI note taker. This one's designed for ultimate portability. You can wear it as a necklace, wristband, clip, or pin. It's ultralight at just 0.59 ounces and has a 20-hour recording battery life with 45 days of standby. Like the Plaud Note, it also has 64 gigabytes of storage and unlimited cloud storage. The NotePin is perfect for professionals on the go, like salespeople or healthcare workers, who need to capture every detail without fumbling with the device. It even integrates with Apple's Find My app, so you won't lose it. One thing to note: if you have a pacemaker, Plaud advises against wearing on your chest due to its magnetic components. Now, let's talk about the Plaud Note Pro, their latest and most advanced model, priced at $179 in the US or Euro 189/pound 169 in Europe. Pre-order started on August 27, 2025, with shipping beginning in October. This one takes things up a notch with a 5-meter voice pickup range thanks to AI beamforming and 4 microphones. It's still super thin and lightweight with the same aluminum design. The Note Pro introduces real-time human-AI alignment with a press-to-highlight feature, letting you mark key moments during recordings. It also supports multimodal inputs like audio, text, and images for richer summaries. Pretty cutting edge. At the heart of all Plaud devices is Plaud Intelligence, powered by top AI models like GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. Through the Plaud app or web portal, you get access to over 2,000 professional templates for summaries, mind maps, to-do lists, and more. The free starter plan includes 300 minutes of AI transcription per month, but you can upgrade to the Pro plan for 1,200 minutes and custom templates. The app also lets you trim audio, label speakers, and export files in over 27 formats. Whether you're a journalist needing formatted Q&A notes or a manager summarizing team meetings, Plaud's got you covered. And don't worry about privacy. All data is encrypted, compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC2 standards, and stored securely with AWS. Let's talk pricing. The Plaud Note starts at $159 in the US or £149 in the UK, while the NotePin is similarly priced. The Pro plan, which unlocks 1,200 transcription minutes, costs $99 per year or $17.99 per month. You also get unlimited cloud storage with all devices, which is a huge plus for heavy users. Plaud offers free shipping, a 30-day no-reason return policy, and a 1-year warranty, 2 years in some regions. They also have lifetime customer support, responding within 24 hours on workdays. So, who's the Plaud AI Note Taker for? Based on the website, it's ideal for professionals like consultants, journalists, or healthcare workers who need accurate, hands-free note-taking. Students can use it for lectures, and creatives can capture ideas on the go. The ability to generate summaries and mind maps makes it a productivity booster for anyone who wants to stay focused during conversations. The Plaud AI Note Taker sounds like a dream for anyone who hates missing details or spending hours on manual notes. With its sleek design, powerful AI, and versatile features, it's no wonder Plaud claims to be the world's top AI note-taking brand. I can't wait to get my hands on one to test it out myself. What do you think? Would you try the Plaud Note, NotePin, or Note Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Check out Plaud's official site at Plaud AI for more details or to pre-order the Note Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.